Hey guys, thanks for hopping in the studio today and joining me. Today we are going to be working on our Buster Bunny or our bow tie bunny. This is our Easter bunny with our 3D paper bow tie. Okay, I'm going to go over what is provided in your kit first. So in your kit, you are going to receive one 8x10 canvas, and you're also going to have a pre-sketched bunny shape on there. You are getting paints, and you're also going to be getting a little pot of glue. This is going to be labeled differently so you guys don't mix it up with your white. And in your kit, you're also going to be getting two brushes, our flat brush and our round detail brush. And there are a couple things that you need that didn't come in your kit. You're gonna need a cup of water. Mine is a little dirty because I was doing some painting earlier, but that is perfectly okay. This is for washing your brush out when you guys are gonna switch colors. And then you also need some paper towels. And this is for drying your brush off when you wet it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on our painting, guys. In your kit, you will also be receiving your paper bow tie, which is the 3D piece that you will be using in your bunny painting. And this is gonna be what we put on last, okay? You guys have settled in and got all your materials out. We're gonna go ahead and start painting. So you took the green and mixed all the ingredients around, and you came out with this spring green, like a grass green color. So we're gonna use that, and we're gonna go ahead and paint our background first on our bunny. Okay guys, so once we have our nice grass green background, we're gonna go ahead and work on our bunny now. I know it's kind of hard to see the white, but we are gonna paint the inside of our bunny white. So get your white paint, and we're gonna go ahead and use our flat brush again. Start painting the inside of our bunny white. Okay guys, so once you're done with your bunny, as you can see, I made a couple of mistakes. I just want to show you guys that it's okay to make the mistakes, right? And you can fix them up by putting some more white paint on it. All right guys, it's time to go ahead and get started on our background, finishing up our background actually. So we're going to swirl around our blue and our white, and we're gonna get this awesome sky blue. And we're gonna go ahead and put some designs on our background using our sky blue color. Okay. So I did lines. Okay guys, now that we finished our background, we're gonna go ahead and add our face and add all of our details on our rabbit bunny. So as you can see, I have went into my white and I put a little bit of hair right in the middle of our bunny's head. You guys can add hair if you want, you don't have to. It's totally optional. I'm just giving him a little mohawk. It's like a little tuft of hair. And now we're gonna go ahead and get into our bunny's ears. And you're doing this with our light blue, same light blue that we did the background with. Just make sure you mix it up really good. Okay, you want to wash your flat brush out because now we're going to go ahead and start working on our bunny's face. So as you guys can see, our bunny's face is ready. I want you guys to go ahead and take your bow tie and kind of place it here, because what we want to do is we want to make sure that we have space for our bow tie to fit. And we're going to go ahead and put that right there. Don't glue it down yet. We're just gonna put it right there and we're gonna do our nose. So we dip back into our light blue color. And we're gonna go ahead and make our nose. It's an upside down triangle. Go ahead and take off that bow and put it to the side because we're going to use that later. Now we're going to finish up on our face. So now we're going to grab our black. We're going to do our mouth. So our mouth is like the shape of a 3. So you come down the middle. We're gonna make him give him like a nice smiley face. And then come down again and go the other way. Give our bunny a nice smiley face. You also want to do the eyes. Eyes are going to be a little far set apart. 2 black circles. I like to leave highlights in the eyes, parts where you don't paint, because it looks shiny. You just fill in that eye with the black as much as you can. If you see it's not matching, try to match it up best as you can. And then you want to do your whiskers. Two whiskers on each side. That is our bunny face. And wash out your brush, and now for the finishing touch, which is going to be our bow. So you're going to take your glue, and you're going to take your flat brush, dip it into your glue, just put that right on the back there, right on that square, nice and neat. Make sure you wash your brush out from the glue. gonna place your bow tie right at the center. Give it a tap. Just make sure it's nice and flat. And you guys are all set. So you guys have made an awesome 3D bow tie bunny. Thank you guys for hopping in the studio with me.